How are you doing? Thank you for stopping by my channel. Again, my name is Darcy Apple. This video is all about healthy eating, and today I will be sharing with you this kale salad. I have a bit of Orzo pasta, some cranberry, lentil, and a bit of vinaigrette in this salad, which makes it such a delicacy. If you want to see how I created this salad, then stick around and just be entertained. Just be entertained because I'll be showing you how to create it. Okay, let's head to the kitchen. So I walked into the supermarket and saw some fresh looking kale. It's pretty crunchy, so I will be chopping that up and placing that in a bowl. Something about kale when it comes to digestion, you'd have to be careful how you prepare it, but I'm going to show you a trick how I kind of tenderize this just for digestion's sake. Let's go and add up the Orzo pasta. You can see that I am not adding a lot, just a tad bit of Orzo pasta to my kale, just to give it a little bit of carbs, add a little bit of carbs in there. And then I will be adding cranberries. You cannot go wrong with cranberries. Cranberries are always good to add to your salad because it has this sweet and tarty flavor. We add almonds. These almonds were crushed by myself. They were whole almonds. I just wanted a bit of nuts because you want the salad to be healthy, right, and filling as well. I did add some vinaigrette. Don't know where that footage went to, but I did add some vinaigrette, mix that all up, and then we're gonna add my lentils. Now this is what I use to really soften up my kale. I will be placing my kale over the lentils. The steam from the hot lentils will kind of tenderize my kale. So this is really good for digestion because remember, kale is a bit tough then. So this is what I use to just give it a little steam up. My leaves still looks fresh, green. Take in a bit of that steam to kind of tenderize it. You get what I'm saying? I know it's just my style and my way of doing it. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is healthy eating, and I hope you stick around for more videos from me. Thank you for joining me, and see you in my next upload. Bye guys. Hope you loved it.